In this video I'm going to show you a easy yummy snack for kids using dry corn. Popcorn is all-time favorite for all, as during this lockdown period we are not able to buy our favorite snacks from outside because of this corona pandemic fear. So let's make our favorite yummy snacks at home in just 10 minutes. For that you need half cup dry corn, and now I'm going to make butter popcorn. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter, fry pan or kadai, and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt. Butter is melted now. Keep this on a medium flame and I'm going to fry the corn. Fry it in a medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I am covering the lid. Keep this for 5 to 10 minutes. You can see the popping now. Keep this on a medium flame. No need to open the lid. Wait until it's completely done. After 7 minutes, the popcorns are ready. Homemade popcorn. So with this, now I'm going to take some of this popcorn for spicy popcorn. Butter popcorn is ready. I'm going to sprinkle some salt. See, butter popcorn is ready. Your kids will really love it. Can you hear the sound? It's absolutely crunchy. For making spicy popcorn, I am adding 1 teaspoon oil in a kadai. Half teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon red chili powder. teaspoon chaat masala. This is optional. If you don't have, you can skip it. Stir it for a second. Now we can add the plain popcorn. Mix it. Masalas will stick to the popcorn. Yummy spicy popcorn. This one bowl is not enough.